Welcome to episode 5 of Sales for Nice People, the daily podcast where ethical entrepreneurs learn how to sell more because of your values and not despite them. Today, episode 3, chapter 3 in the mini series, Are You Selling Them a Problem? And today we're going to look at interaction tax, which basically means the amount of friction that your buyer needs to deal with when they interact with you. In many cases, we are inadvertently making interaction very difficult, challenging, costly, and frictionful for people. I saw a really nice example of that a while ago when a developer was showing me an app that he was building. And it looked very complicated. It was a really good piece of software. I really understood what he was trying to show me. But in the way that he went through the pages and clicking left and right and here and there and then go back, it just looked like so much work. And so I perceived a very high interaction tax, both from how I would be using the app if I would use it, but also in the experience dealing with him. Another example, one of my favorite pet peeves, those horrible audio messages people always send each other on WhatsApp. Here you are going about your business, and suddenly there is an audio that you need to listen to, and then you spend 90 seconds listening to somebody thinking into a microphone just because they couldn't take the time to write something that can be read in 2 seconds. So the recipient then of that audio needs to step out of whatever they're doing and listen to these 90 seconds of rant and ramble just to get something very short. You're selling them a problem. You're giving people interaction tax to pay. And that is something to avoid because the more friction you cause in the process, the higher the interaction tax, the lower the chances that you'll actually close the deal. Makes sense, right? So ask yourself, how much does it cost my buyer to deal with me? How much interaction tax am I asking them to pay? And make the cost of dealing with you less frictionful and more effortless. That's it for today. This is the Sales for Nice People podcast. I am Martin Steller, and I'll see you tomorrow.